And to be transparent with you, this mower has, hope you can see it, 518.3 hours. Hey guys, Johnny, owner of Blazer Grass Lawn Care. Sorry about that. So I was on the internet and I came across a video where a company was claiming that they had a self-sharpening blade, and I reached out to them because, like anyone else, hell, I'm a skeptic, you know. How the heck is gonna self-sharpen, you know what I mean? And everybody know that I'm about being extremely efficient. So this is what we get. Look at this blade. See that? And believe it or not, this is a month. 1 month. You know what I mean? Because we have that sandy soil. And let me show you real quick. These are my blades, man. It's what they look like. Sometimes they get, you know, it takes 2 months, but now it's getting close to spring. It's getting real close to spring, and we cut, most of my yards are centipede grass, and centipede grass is typically cut at 2 to 2.5 inches. Now you guys up north may be like, oh my goodness, that's too low, you're gonna damage the turf, blah 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 blah. Listen, different strokes for different folks. This is what I get, and as you can tell, this is not fabricated, guys. This is the real deal. And again, I'm not trying to sell you anything, because I contacted the guys at LaserEdge and I told them, hey man, you know, I think I'm a good candidate to test out your blades. And they said, sure, let's go ahead and send you a pair, you know, send you a set. So they sent me a set, and here they are. They have a little coating in the back. So I'm gonna put these on, guys, and to be transparent with you, this mower has, hope you can see it, 518.3 hours. Okay, and I looked at their video real quick this morning. I don't know too much about their company and how the blade work and everything. You know, us guys, man, you know, we don't read directions, man. We just put the stuff on. You know, I'm trying to be as honest as possible. I'm not gonna sit up here and read their website and then spill it out to you verbatim. I don't know. All I know is that they said that this thing is gonna sharpen itself when you mow. But one thing that I would caution you about, you know, mowing this low, you hit stuff. So it's not, there's no saying that, you know, the blade won't chip, won't bend, none of that stuff. So let's not put that into consideration. I'm gonna put these blades on, and I'm not gonna sharpen them. So as of today, which is Saturday, March 16th, okay, I'm gonna put these on my Vantage 36, and you know, now and then, guys, I'm gonna keep you updated. Not a long video, but just give you a quick snap throughout my videos, and let you know what are my thoughts, and if I had to sharpen them, if I had to take them off, or they're working the way they're supposed to. And then if they work, guys, I'm going to be buying them, because again, it will minimize my time sharpening blades. It will minimize, yeah, and that takes time, you know, the manpower it takes, you know, to have a guy sharpen your blades, and the time it takes to sharpen a blade. And we'll see. And by the way, the same day that I actually send them a text, and they replied to me, Brian from Brian Lawn Maintenance sent me a quick, he DM'd me and said, hey man, you know, I know you have sandy soil. Will you be interested in checking out these blades? I was like, yo, what a coincidence, right? Because I just texted them because I saw it, and they got back to me. So, you know, they were going to send me some blades so I can test them out. So big ups, Brian. Appreciate it, man. You know, that's what the community is all about. You know, if you see someone that is in a certain situation, they can utilize certain blades or whatever the case might be, you know, look them up, send them a quick DM. It doesn't hurt. We'll see. Okay, so let me put these on, and I'll get back to you in a few seconds. All right, guys, like I said before, to be continued. Pop smoke. Peace.